Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. I hope I have enough battery and I hope this doesn't just die on me. We got enough battery. I think we're at 70%. Hopefully it doesn't just drop like it normally does. So what we have in front of us here is actually an engine hoist setup. So the Miata's clutch is just about completely shot. So I figured I'd make a time lapse, put this all together, and see what we have. So yeah, stay tuned YouTube. Let's get this together.
Sidewalk. All I need is hearing your sweet talk. Yeah, feel so free. My mind wanna jaywalk. Yeah, take a sip of that crazy look in your eyes. As we dance, as we move, as we fall, as you spin me off the ground. As we go, we flow into each other. One level up with you. Wanna make you feel it too. Wanna come around and roll closer. Yeah, yeah. Feel so real. We are a vision. Take a sip of that burning look in your eyes. As we dance, as we move, as we fall, as you spin me off the ground. As we go, we flow into each other. One level up with you. Wanna make you feel it too. Wanna come around and roll closer. Yeah, yeah. As we dance, as we move, as we fall off the ground. As we go, we flow into each other. 4-inch heels. One level up with you. Straight on the sidewalk. Wanna make you feel it too. All I need. Wanna come around and move closer. Is hearing your sweet talk. As we dance, as we move, as we fall, as you spin me off the ground. As we go, we flow into each other.
Hey YouTube, Diesel Dan Peters here. So it's all together now. Give you all just a quick run over of it. A few things to note. This thing was pretty easy overall to put together. I think there were only one or two things that were kind of bent. So like that was bent from shipping down there. I just used a hammer. You know, at the end of the day, it's never going to be perfect. 2 bolts got stripped right out the bat. I just took the washer part out and I sent her all the way. It's holding up fine. And it was just for the for one of the wheels. I had the problem with that. Otherwise, it's all together. Let's see. I'll crank her up so you can all see it. I have it set currently for the 2-ton. But as you can tell, she's cranking fine. See, we're gonna pop her back down. Okay, that's kind of abrupt. Yeah, she's fine though. Keep it like that. There we go. And yeah, overall, I mean, not a bad looking machine. The welds aren't the greatest, but they're not the worst things I've ever seen. I mean, yeah, we got some pins and stuff. 2022 though, I mean, what can you expect? Nobody wants to work anymore, so where she goes. Yeah, the welds are, well, you know, you can see them. You could tell someone was welding all day before they had to do this job. So overall though, I'm not complaining. I'm really not. I'm just want to give you all an honest review since I bought it. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. So yeah, overall, I mean, moves fine. What I like is you can detach the big legs, and there's 4 wheels over here, so you can still move it around, but it, you know, you can actually store it away, which is nice, because you're not gonna want to have this just laying out anywhere unless you got a really big shop. But as you can tell, this is like, it looks like just a half-car garage sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna organize, throw all this away, and probably just put this over here, I guess, for now. It's gonna be fun, YouTube. Someone define for me what fun is again? Oh, good. Yeah, we're gonna get her done though. And probably one of the next videos, you'll all see what kind of parts I bought for the Miata. You know, the clutch had 88,000 original miles. It was doing good, but the bearing started making noises, and I did not like that at all. But away she goes, away she goes. One thing I did buy that was extra, just so I could attach it to the motor, was these chains down below. So it came with this first little chain here, but the chains below are supposed to attach to the motor with bolts. I don't know if you can all see this. See, we got 2 bolt holes. Yep. And yeah, we're pulling the motor on the Miata and the transmission. We're pulling everything out. It needs a new clutch bearing, new brakes. I mean, like, if you didn't know who I was as a person, you'd think I was just straight up neglecting the car, but honestly, it's just finding the time to work on anything. That's the hardest part. But yeah, the shop wanted $7,500 to fix everything that's wrong with the car. You know, it's really kind of simple stuff like ball joints, control arms. For me, it's simple, at least. Ball joints, control arms. The clutch job alone was going to be $2,500 plus tax. Control arms and ball joints, that was $2,500 as well. Tie rod ends, not the tie rod, not the full tie rods, just tie rod ends, $600 with labor. Like, some of the prices, I was like, oh no, nope. So here we are. I already ordered all the parts for the most part. Besides the suspension stuff, I want to at least get it driving. Make sure that I, you know, get the thing driving again. And yeah, I'm going to go from there, YouTube. Well, for now, stay tuned. Let me know what you all think. We're getting there, YouTube. We are definitely getting there. Definitely getting there. Give you all a little closer view as well, just so you can all see what it looks like. Nice. Sweet. Well, that's all I got for you all tonight, YouTube. I'm about to go head in. I'm tired. Gotta go to bed soon. So stay tuned. Diesel Dan Peters signing out for now.